Can a simple breakfast change your health? Imagine starting your day with something that could potentially transform your well-being. This is not just a lofty idea, but a concept recently explored by researchers at the Federal University of Rio de Janeiro. They embarked on a fascinating journey to uncover the health benefits of a common breakfast ingredient, oats. In their study, the team focused on oat bran, a fiber-rich component of the whole oat grain. Renowned for its high fiber content, oat bran has often been associated with numerous health benefits. But just how effective could it be? To find this out, the researchers designed an experiment involving 132 men and women who agreed to consume 40 grams of oat bran daily. This went on for 90 days, a substantial period to observe potential changes and effects. The methodology was rigorous. Before the study commenced, each participant underwent a comprehensive health check. This included measurements of their anthropometric parameters, such as weight, body mass index, and waist circumference, as well as blood pressure and cholesterol levels. These initial readings served as a baseline to measure against the data collected at the end of the trial period. As the days turned into months, participants maintained their regular diets, with the only adjustment being the addition of 40 grams of oat bran. This consistency was crucial for ensuring that any health changes could be confidently attributed to the oat bran itself. Upon concluding the 90-day period, the results were compelling. Participants showed a significant decrease in their anthropometric measurements, suggesting that oat bran could help in reducing body weight and possibly decreasing obesity-related risks. Even more impressive were the changes in the participants' health markers. Both systolic and diastolic blood pressures dropped significantly, hinting at potential cardiovascular benefits. Furthermore, there was a noteworthy reduction in both total and LDL cholesterol levels, commonly referred to as bad cholesterol, which are key factors in the prevention of heart disease. These findings suggest that incorporating oat bran into one's diet could play a crucial role in managing and possibly preventing chronic health issues, such as hypertension and hypercholesterolemia. It's a simple dietary addition that appears to offer significant health benefits. In conclusion, the study from the Federal University of Rio de Janeiro provides strong evidence that a simple change in breakfast routine, like adding oat bran, can have profound health benefits. It's a reminder of how small adjustments in our daily diet choices can potentially improve our overall health and prevent chronic diseases. So perhaps it's time to rethink that morning meal. It could be more powerful than you think.